I've been testing something new, and honestly, it's one of those rare moments where you feel like you're witnessing the future unfold right in front of you. This isn't just another update or a minor improvement, it's a game changer for AI image generation, and it's got everyone talking. Imagine this: you type a prompt, hit enter, and a computer instantly creates a picture that matches your imagination. It sounds simple, but the technology behind it is anything but. Over the past year, we've seen a flood of AI art tools, some impressive, some not so much. But every once in a while, a tool comes along that feels like it's from the next generation. Enter Google's Nano Banana Pro. This isn't just an upgrade to what's out there, it's a leap forward, a bold new step that's setting a whole new standard for what's possible. The headline feature? Unlimited high-quality AI image generation. And here's the kicker: it's totally free. No hidden fees, no trial period, just open access for everyone. Most other services either cap your usage or lock the best features behind a paywall or monthly subscription. But Google's approach is different. They're making this technology accessible to anyone with an internet connection. That's already sending shockwaves through the tech world, with experts and creators buzzing about what this could mean for the future of digital art and content creation. But here's the thing: it's not just about being free. Nano Banana Pro delivers image quality that's honestly jaw-dropping, with results that rival professional artists and photographers. The level of detail, the way it interprets even the most complex prompts, the realism and creativity. It's all there, and it's all happening in seconds. Using it feels less like you're working with a cold, logical machine, and more like you've got a creative partner who just happens to be lightning fast and endlessly imaginative. You can generate images that look like real photographs, or go wild with digital art styles that would take hours to create by hand, all in just a few clicks. So let's dive into Nano Banana Pro, where it came from, what makes it so special, and how it stacks up against the competition. There's a lot to unpack here. I'll walk you through exactly how to use it, step by step, so you can start creating your own incredible images right away, even if you've never used an AI art tool before. We'll also take a look at the wild stats behind its launch: millions of images generated in just days, and a user base that's growing faster than anyone expected. And why this is more than just a fun toy for artists or hobbyists. This is a tool that's already being used by businesses, designers, and creators to speed up workflows and unlock new creative possibilities. It's changing how teams collaborate, how content is made, and how we all interact with digital media. The impact could be huge. So, are you ready to see what the new king of AI images can do? Let's get started and explore the future of creativity together. Scene transition. Before Pro, there was the original Nano Banana, Google's first big AI image generator for everyone. It was a bold experiment, launched at a time when most people had never even tried making images with artificial intelligence. Nano Banana was designed to be approachable, breaking down barriers that kept AI tools out of reach for everyday users. The process was refreshingly simple. Just log in, type a prompt describing what you wanted to see, and within seconds, an image would appear. No complicated setup, no technical jargon, just creativity at your fingertips. There were no Discord servers to join, no invite codes, and no confusing software to install. Anyone with a web browser could jump in and start creating. Nano Banana quickly went viral for its speed and ease of use. Its cartoon-like, playful images were perfect for sharing on social media, sparking creativity for fun projects, memes, and even school assignments. People experimented wildly, generating everything from astronaut pets and fantasy creatures to business concept art and quirky avatars. The possibilities felt endless, and users loved exploring what the AI could dream up. But Nano Banana had its quirks and clear limitations. The AI struggled with text, often producing garbled or unreadable words. Hands and faces sometimes looked strange or distorted, and the image resolution was capped at 1024x 24 pixels. Fine for screens, but not for printing. So while the images looked great on your phone or computer, they didn't hold up if you tried to print them out or use them in professional projects. Still, Nano Banana was a massive hit. It introduced millions of people to the world of AI image generation, and in the process, Google collected a treasure trove of user data and feedback to improve future tools. The overwhelming response proved there was huge demand for this kind of technology. People were eager to experiment, create, and share. Nano Banana was more than just a fun experiment. It was a proof of concept that set the stage for something much bigger and more powerful. The original walked so Pro could run, paving the way for the next generation of AI creativity. Now, let's see how Google leveled up and took AI image generation to the next level. Scene transition. So, what makes Nano Banana Pro truly pro? Google rebuilt the model, tackling the biggest complaints from the original. First, readable text. Finally, you can generate images with clear, accurate writing. Want a coffee shop sign or a movie poster with real words? Done. Next, built-in 4K upscaling. Start with a standard image, then one click to massive print-ready resolution. And now, you can use multiple reference images in a single prompt, combine faces, styles, and locations for total creative control. It's like having a pro photo editor on standby. These upgrades turn Nano Banana Pro from a fun toy into a serious creative tool. The difference is obvious from your very first image. Let's look under the hood. Scene transition. Beyond the flashy features, Nano Banana Pro adds a crucial image detection tool. Every image gets an invisible watermark, readable by Google's verification tool, helping fight fakes and build trust. The Pro model runs on next-gen TPUs, making it fast and cheap to operate at scale. This efficiency lets Google offer it free, hoping to draw more users into their ecosystem. The new architecture also means smarter prompt understanding, no more wrestling with awkward phrasing. The AI now gets context, relationships, and even abstract ideas. You spend less time tweaking prompts and more time creating. It's a smoother, more natural creative process. Here's how to try it yourself. Getting started is easy. No waitlist, no fancy hardware needed. Just go to the Nano Banana Pro website and sign in with your Google account. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Type your prompt in the big text box, upload reference images if you want, and pick your aspect ratio. Hit generate, and in seconds, your image appears. Download it, upscale to 4K, or regenerate if you want a new version. The workflow is fast and encourages experimentation. No credits, no paywalls, just create as much as you want. It's designed for everyone, from total beginners to pros. The process is so simple, you'll be making images in minutes. Now, let's talk about how this thing went viral. Scene transition. 13. Nano Banana Pro's launch was massive, over 10 million users in 24 hours. By week's end, 500 million images had been generated. People weren't just trying it, they kept coming back. The unlimited free access fueled creativity and experimentation. The readable text feature sparked viral trends. Fake products, movie posters, and inspirational quotes flooded social media. Now, Nano Banana Pro trended globally for days, all from genuine user excitement. Google shared fun stats. Photorealistic cats and wizard hats were a top prompt, but practical uses exploded too. Small businesses made logos, teachers created lesson visuals, writers designed book covers. The tool's versatility proved it wasn't just for artists, it was for everyone. Let's see how it stacks up against the competition. Scene transition. How does Nano Banana Pro compare to Midjourney and DALL-E 3? The biggest edge, it's free, while others charge subscriptions. In image quality, it's neck and neck. Nano Banana Pro nails photorealism and clean graphics. Its readable text, 4K upscaling, and multi-image prompts are unmatched in a single, free package. Reference images give you pro-level control. Some power users might prefer Midjourney's deep customization, but for most, Nano Banana Pro's simplicity is a win. It bridges the gap between raw generation and fine-tuned editing. For 99% of users, it's the best balance of power, quality, and accessibility. For the rest, niche tools still have a place. But for the masses, Nano Banana Pro is the new standard. Scene transition. The creativity unleashed by Nano Banana Pro is wild. Indie game devs use it to prototype characters and worlds in hours, not weeks. Teachers generate custom visuals for lessons, history scenes, science diagrams, you name it. Students make cover pages and illustrations for projects. Small businesses whip up logos and marketing graphics, no designer needed. The readable text feature lets anyone make pro-quality ads and social posts. People design t-shirts, storybooks, even plan home renovations with AI-generated previews. It's a visual assistant for daily life, not just a toy for artists. The variety of uses proves this tool is for anyone with an idea. Let's talk about why that matters. Scene transition. Nano Banana Pro isn't just a fun tech demo. It's a glimpse into the future of creativity and technology working hand in hand. This tool represents a major leap forward, not just for artists or tech enthusiasts, but for anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life visually. It's a shift in digital creation, making it possible for people everywhere to participate in the creative process, regardless of their background or experience. For years, making great visuals meant learning complex skills, investing countless hours, or paying professionals to do it for you. The barriers to entry were high, and creativity was often limited by access and resources. Now, with tools like Nano Banana Pro, anyone can create high-quality images, regardless of talent, training, or budget. It's opening doors for people who never thought they could make art or design. It's as transformative as the smartphone camera was for photography. Suddenly, everyone has the power to capture and share their perspective with the world. We're moving from just capturing images to actually creating them from scratch, using nothing but our imagination and a few simple prompts. It's a new way to express ideas visually, for everyone, from students and teachers to business owners and hobbyists. Collaboration and creativity are more accessible than ever. The built-in watermark and verification tool show Google's thinking about trust and transparency, helping people know where images come from and how they were made. As AI-generated content grows, knowing what's real and what's not matters more than ever. These features help build confidence in a digital world full of new possibilities. This isn't about limiting technology, it's about building a healthy, responsible ecosystem where creativity and ethics go hand in hand. Nano Banana Pro empowers students, entrepreneurs, writers, and anyone with a vision to turn their ideas into reality, no matter their skill level. It's not replacing artists, it's making more of them, giving everyone a chance to explore their creative side and learn new skills. Millions now have a powerful new paintbrush in their hands, ready to shape the future of visual storytelling. The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to see what you'll create with this incredible technology.